amazing facts about our body. Okay, ready, Kaustav?
Okay, Samiksha.
Is it possible to sneeze without closing our eyes?
Let me test it out. Achoo! Achoo! It is not possible to sneeze without closing our eyes.
Good, Kaustav. You know another thing of our eyes?
No?
The eyes ball is part of our brain.
Oh, is it, Samiksha?
Yes, Kaustav.
Okay.
I'll ask you one more question.
Okay.
Where is the smallest bone present in our body?
In our little finger?
No, Kaustav. I'll give you one clue.
What's the clue?
It is somewhere. The smallest bone is somewhere on your face.
It is in our ears?
Yes, Kaustav. The smallest bone is present in our ears.
Oh!
Okay. I'll ask you the final question.
What's the final question?
How many bones are in our body?
Many bones.
You know the total number of the bones?
No.
I'll tell.
What is that?
206 bones are in our body.
206, Samiksha? In our body?
Yes.
Oh my God!
Yes, Kaustav.
Okay, friends, let's talk more amazing facts tomorrow.
Bye everyone.
Like, share, subscribe.